So I posted a video a little while ago about using Restic and DigitalOcean. So this is an update to that video, and that I have not been able to successfully upload my archive to DigitalOcean. Why? Well, if you just look at my terminal here, I've been having a lot of issues getting my data up there, and I have a roughly about 230 gigs of data that I call my long-term archive that basically needs to stay backed up at all times. And I've been trying for like 2 weeks to get it up there. And eventually I always get these errors here. And where it starts is right about here. And it starts running the routine here. Restic begins, and right here I'm about a gig of transfer already in, but this stops randomly. It doesn't matter. Like one time it went for 27 gigs and 1 gig, and sometimes it happens right away. So I get this error here, which is it first starts with a 504 gateway timeout, and then I get these key already exists errors. And I think what happens here is it tries to recover error while saving data to the repo, key already exists, and then basically Restic just pukes at this point. So I actually have I posted on the Restic forum that this was happening to the developer, and he actually said that someone else has been experiencing some issues with DigitalOcean, and he thinks that it might be possibly a rate limiting error. Just to quote him here, there seems to be some kind of rate limiting in place, and when Restic retries a request, the server responds that the file on the server already exists. This is different behavior of other S3 implementations like Minio. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be running another Restic backup, but I'm going to use Wasabi this time. I don't know if I'm going to keep using Wasabi because I don't know. It seems like their pricing model is good, but the minimum data, your data has to stay there for a minimum of 90 days. So I'm not sure I want to commit. But anyways, I'll update you guys. Let me know if you're having any problems with Restic with DigitalOcean, or if you're not. One thing that I can say is there was part of my archive that contains like thousands and thousands and thousands of files, and I thought when he mentioned the rate limiting aspect, that having all those files continually being posted may have triggered something like that rate limiting feature, possibly on the DigitalOcean backend. So what I'm doing is I'm going to zip that content so it's just one flat file. And after I test with Wasabi, I'll try again with DigitalOcean and keep you guys updated. All right, see you guys later.